A&G Technology Consulting has released DeepSeek R1T2 Chimera, a novel assembly of experts model created by merging three high-performing parent models, R1, V3-0324, and R1-0528. Leveraging expert layer interpolation, the model delivers over 200% speed improvement compared to R1-0528 and 20% over R1, while maintaining strong reasoning performance. The design selectively incorporates routed expert tensors from R1, preserving its chain of thought capabilities while retaining the compact output characteristics of V3-0324. The resulting model operates at a sweet spot between intelligence and efficiency. Benchmarked on AMI and GPQA Diamond, R1T2 outperforms R1 in reasoning and token efficiency while approaching R1-0528's intelligence. Its behavioral consistency, evident through traces, emerges sharply at a 50% R1 weight contribution, showcasing the precision of the merging methodology. Community feedback on Reddit highlights the model's improved responsiveness and reliability. Released under the MIT license on Hugging Face, R1T2 sets a precedent for large-scale model merging as a viable alternative to costly fine-tuning. Here are some of the key insights.